Hey everyone, this is Ed Kiefer again, bringing you another Luxe highlight. We want to backtrack a little bit on the Luxe Toy Hauler, a luxury toy hauler. Wanted to show you what we do in the garage area. We're putting these D-rings. This is actually the dovetail portion of the garage. You have a huge storage area in this dovetail area, and these are the actual D-rings. What we do with the D-rings, we drill a hole. We actually attach the D-rings to the metal cage construction in the garage, in the frame itself. So you're not just getting into the wood, you're getting clear down into that metal structure. So hey, give us a call at 844-284-6678. Get us on the web at luxefifthwheel.com and ask them some more questions. Have a great day.